guys, I'm going to make a block tower, a big tower. And first we're going to start off with this piece. You want to see what that looks like close up? There. That's what it looks like. And now for the building. So we're going to start there. Go up. Where's that other big block? Alright. Oh, whoops. Now Jonas just pulls it so we could move it on to the next bit. What I have done. So, alright, this is getting along pretty good. Alright. I'll pause it till the next bit so you can actually see it in fast motion and you can still see it. So, pretty amazing. Alright, I'm filming again and you want to see what it looks like now. I can't actually talk loud. You can see I lost the tooth here. I think another one was growing. And do you want to see my tower? That is it. It's over here. Let me move it a bit so you can see it. A bit to the left. There we go. Maybe that's maybe a bit more to the left. There. Okay, let's get building. Woohoo! Maybe I'll film this time. So yes. So this is pretty exciting. So let's get this bit on. Where's that thing I just saw? Here it is. Okay, this will be awesome. I'm just trying to find a block so it can fit under there. And this is not working. There we go. Alright, so I'll fast forward this thing again because, well, I thought it might be a good idea. Oh, that's gone way too fast. Just never mind about this. Just I'll make it in fast motion, I think. So hello again. This back. Look at the back of this tower. So look, it has a hole, and this thing will never fit in it. Look, even I put it there. I put this on top. See, what is going on? Never mind. I'll just give it. Never mind. Okay, so I'm back again, and I fixed the problem there. Well, maybe I weren't able to turn around, so it might. Yeah, never mind. But anyway, I'll just tell you that's my building for now. Well, so do you want to see something cool? I guess maybe even cooler. Like yes. So alright. So can that work? Yep, that will work. And boom, boom, boom. There's actually a car. Boom, boom. Yeah, we'll get it there. And now it's back over here. Isn't that cool? The car driving around the city. Boom, boom. And it's stuck. I'm going to crash the car into these 3 buildings up here. And in 3, 2, maybe we need a bit more power. 1, 0. I'm going to make this crash into these 2 towers. And which button? I don't remember. Is it this one? I guess no. Let's go again. I'm gonna crash this into those 3 buildings. Let's press the button. Let's go! They won't. Oh man, the police car crashed the building, but there's one more box going on. There we go, all done. Oh, the camera fell down. Alright, bye guys. See you in the next episode we do of anything I just like. Well, we'll see you later. Bye.